Gonna make some lentil soup today. There are very, very few ingredients in this. It's gonna take no time at all. It's absolutely delicious. It's healthy. It's vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center there, I've got 2 cups of red lentils. I've just washed them through, give them a little rinse. No need to soak them for this. And then either side, I've got a cup of onion and a cup of tomato, roughly. Below that there, on the left-hand side, I've got a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Next to that, a tablespoon of garlic. We're gonna add a few other little bits, but this is super easy. We're gonna have this soup done in no time. Okay, you're gonna need a pot or something like that. I'm doing it in this wok thing here so you can see exactly what's going on, but a saucepan would probably be better. In there I've got some olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got like 3 tablespoons. I've just put the heat on above medium, you know, fairly high. We're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion, the 1 tablespoon of garlic, and to that I'm going to add salt and black pepper. And we're going to go for 3 minutes. Right now this has been going for 3 minutes or so. Look, this is so easy. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our lentils, 2 cups of the red dal, which, like I say, I just washed it through with some cold water. A cup or maybe 2 whole tomatoes. We're going to add the cumin and chili powder. Now you can of course change those 2 to something else that you fancy. You might want to get some thyme in there, rosemary, you know, just, you know, anything you like really. And now we're going to go for 5 or 6 minutes on this kind of, you know, quite lively heat. And I'm going to be stirring it quite often. Beautiful. Now, the reason we just done that process is to really cook those tomatoes down and get the lentils moving. They cook really quickly, these ones. Okay, look, I've got stock here. I've got some vegetable stock. You can use, if you want, just water. So there's like 2 pints there, maybe just over actually. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to lower the heat down just below medium. We're going to let it run for like 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You've nearly done it, honestly. Beautiful stuff. So you can see there that that's reduced down and those lentils have cooked really nicely. We're going to turn the heat off. What we're going to do next, we're going to liquidize that. Now I've got one of those things that go in and whizzes around and does it. If you don't have one of those, first of all, you should get one. They're really cheap and they're really brilliant. So you could use a food processor or something, some sort of other jug type liquidizer. Now, if it's too thick, we're going to add some more liquid. We're going to see it might be a bit thick, but maybe you want it that way. But let me do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, there you go. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Get one. I mean, you can get them really, really cheap. They're fantastic little things. Okay, now that looks like a beautiful consistency to me. Yeah, that's great. Check that for salt and pepper. I've got here some cilantro or coriander, whatever you want to call that. I'm going to drop that in. I'm going to give that a mix. I'm going to check it for salt. Job done. Really easy, beautiful, simple lentil soup. Job done, super easy and really, really delicious. Just serve that with a little bit of more cilantro or coriander on the top. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment and all that good stuff. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.